What up, Reddies? Grab something to draw with and a piece of paper. We're gonna do a Santa Claus unicorn. It's gonna be fun. Let's get started! All right, Reddies, super simple Santa Claus or Christmas unicorn. All we gotta do is start with a cute letter U. So easy, Reddies. Next, take a line across the top, any way you want. Next, we're gonna come below and take it up and over. We're gonna trace that other line. I did a little vibe to mine, then bring it down and then connect behind. You know what that is, Reddies? The top of the Santa hat. All right, Reddies, now we're gonna do a little smile line for the bottom of our corn horn, and then a triangle, up and down. You see it coming together? So cool. All right, Reddies, now we get to take the top up for the Santa Claus hat. So imagine your head goes through here, so dot, 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 and start right there. Take it up and kind of curve at the top. Imagine this line going through, dot, 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 and take it up. And then we're gonna connect this here, Reddies. So go around and down. Perfect. All right, Reddies, now we gotta do a Santa Claus ball top of the hat thingy. I like doing the puff ones. Puff, 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 puff. Perfect. Now, unicorns have pointy ears. So we're gonna do a triangle out and a triangle out. Ready? Out and down. Out and down. Perfect, Reddies. All right. Next step, triangle inside. That matches that for the inside of its ears. Over, down. Same thing on this side. Over and down. So cool. All right, Reddies. Simple eyes. I like doing mine large and wide. So I'm going to do one circle and another circle. Perfect. All right, Reddies. Now we're going to do some bangs. So we're just going to do curved triangles. 1, 2, 3. Ready? One line down. Line up. Down. Up. Down. And up. Those are the little bangs of the unicorn hair. All right, Reddies. Next, we're going to do cute little nostrils. 2 dots. 1, 2. Super easy. And Reddies, one last thing, we're gonna do a curve. Whee! So cute and easy, Reddies. Okay, let's fill in the eyes with a big white circle and a little white circle. A big white circle and a little white circle. And then let's color in the pupil black. Perfect, Reddies. All right, Reddies, let's color. So, obviously, let's start with our red. So, grab your red marker. And let's color Santa Claus hat red. Coloring's the best part. It's so relaxing and fun. I've seen some Santa Claus hats, like a dark burgundy, even a purplish plum color, but I'm sticking with OG red. And then I like getting a really light blue to line my whites with. So let's do that. Let's get like a light blue and just do little outline on our white fur. Just like that, Breddies. And here too. Kind of just go on the inside of our black and just give it a nice little touch to bring out that white fur on our Santa Claus hat. Doesn't have to be perfect, Breddies. Just gives it that realistic touch. All right. Here's where you can go. Your favorite color for the hair, or you can do like a rainbow. Last year we did a rainbow when we did this with you guys and you seemed to like it. So let's just pick 3 rainbow colors. Let's do like a yellow, a pink, and like a purple. All right. Let's grab our pink. We'll do this first one, pink in here. Nice. We'll do our purple next, Breddies. And do that middle hair. Ooh, my purple's kind of running out. Flip it over. Nice. And finish with yellow. All right, let's do a light pink for the ears, Breddies. Looks super good. And let's do a light pink nose. Let's go inside here. Remember, with the alcohol-based markers like these, you don't want to run over that black Sharpie because it will bleed. But if you just have a crayon, you're good to go. That looks so good, Breddies. So simple and cute. Do you guys like it? Let's add one more touch. Let's do the light blue in the eye. That always looks super cute. And I chose too dark, but oh well. Still looks good. All right, Breddies, should we add some snowflakes? Super simple snowflakes. Watch this, Breddies. Do a long line, medium line, and 2 small lines. Long line, medium line, small lines. Long line, medium line, small line. One more up here, Breddies. Long line, medium line, small line. And we are all done. All right, Breddies, I hope you had fun. That one was super simple. I enjoyed coloring with you. I hope you had fun. Like and subscribe and do another one with me tomorrow. Bye, Breddies.